today we will be discussing the evolution of management thought and yung iba't ibang management theories na ginawa ng mga kilalang management theorists. And ipapakita namin kung paano nagbago ang management mula noon hanggang ngayon. So, the first slide of this topic, which is early management thought. So, yung early management thought, yung management kasi ay nagsimula pa noong ancient civilization tulad ng Egypt and yung China. And noon pa lang may planning, organizing at controlling na. So ginagamit ito sa malalaking projects gaya ng pyramids, pati military at religious groups may contribution sa discipline at hierarchy. The second one is Scientific Management by Frederick Taylor. So, si Frederick Taylor ang nag-introduce ng scientific management and focus niya ay efficiency and naniniwala siya na may one best way to do a task. And gumamit siya ng time and motion studies para mahanap yung pinakamabilis at pinaka-efficient na paraan. Nag-introduce din siya dito ng ng incentive system para mas productive ang workers. Next is Administrative Management by Henry Fayol. So, si Henry Fayol naman yung nag-develop ng idea na management ay isang universal process. And meron siyang 5 functions dito. So, ito yung planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and yung controlling. And siya rin ang gumawa ng 14 principles of management na guidelines para sa structure at operations ng organization. So, next one is Bureaucratic Management by Max Weber. So, si Max Weber ang nag-develop ng Bureaucratic Management and ang focus nito ay formal rules, clear hierarchy, at impersonal decision making. And para kay Weber, mas nagiging fair, organized, at predictable ang operations kapag may bureaucracy. Is Human Relations Movement by Elton Mayo. So sa Hawthorne Studies ni Elton Mayo, nakita nila na hindi lang pera ang nagpamotivate sa mga workers. Importante rin ang social relationships and recognition at good working environment. So dito nagsimula ang Human Relations Movement na nag-focus sa morale at teamwork.
Behavioral management theories. These theories focus on understanding human behavior in organizations to improve management practices. Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow proposed that people have different levels of needs. These are psychological, safety, social, self-actualization, and most importantly, esteem that motivates them. Douglas MacGregor's Theory X and Theory Y. Theory X assumes that workers are lazy and need of control, while Theory X assumes that workers are motivated and self-directed. Focus. Human behavior, motivation, and leadership are key areas of these theories to address and enhance organizational effectiveness. Quantitative/operations research. This approach applies mathematical and statistical methods to help makes better decisions in management. Application of mathematics and statistics. Use tools like models and data analysis. Decision making models helps in making informed decisions using quantitative methods. Optimization and forecasting aims to optimize processes and predict future outcomes based on data. Theory. This theory views organizations or complex systems with interconnected parts. Organizations as interconnected systems looks at how different parts of an organization interact. Inputs, processes, and outputs describes how systems transform inputs into outputs. Emphasis of synergy and independence highlights how parts of a system work together and depend on each other for overall performance. Contingency theory. This theory suggests that there's no one size fits all approach to management, but instead, management theories should adapt to specific situational variables requiring leaders to be aware of the context. Modern management approach. This section lists four contemporary management strategies: total quality management, or otherwise known as TQM, lean management, strategic management, and last, contemporary leadership theories. These concepts are foundational in management studies, helping managers understand organizations from different perspectives. Thank you. That's all. Peace out. Bye.